ScanSnap technology has come a long way. Complementing your mobile lifestyle, it's the ScanSnap that is truly as mobile as your smartphone and tablet. ScanSnap IX100. The lightest wireless ScanSnap in the world with high-performance lithium battery. Traveling? No access to a network? ScanSnap can still scan wirelessly to your device. At home or in the office? ScanSnap connects conveniently to your existing wireless network. With the IX100, you can scan anywhere and anytime. The IX100 can be set to automatically detect different networks as you move between locations. The IX100 is a mobile scanner that scans at high speed and produces high-quality images. The IX100 is the fastest mobile scanner in its class. The IX100 has a built-in GI processor that enhances images on the fly. Unlike documents captured by your phone, the scanned images are crisp, shadow-free, and even the fine print can be easily read. Quickly digitize your documents to PDF or JPEG for easy viewing and accessibility. When scanning small documents such as business cards, you can begin scanning a second document before the first one is complete. Even a large document can be scanned. Just fold it in half and the IX100 will automatically stitch it back together. The IX100 can scan plastic cards such as personal identification. Using the U-turn guide, you can scan documents even when space is limited. The IX100 can scan a variety of documents and can be used in various ways in the home or office. ScanSnap IX100 comes with a full complement of productivity software. ScanSnap Organizer to manage your content. CardMinder to manage your business cards. ScanSnap Receipt to organize your receipts for efficient tax filing and expense reports. Or to send documents to your favorite cloud service. The IX100 is all you need to bring scanning anywhere. Productivity unleashed. Personal document scanner. ScanSnap IX100.